Okay, I thought I was going to have a day off, but it ain't working out that way. Apparently my hot water tank started leaking. I moved a bunch of stuff. I wiped up all the water. I gotta mop it up. We moved some stuff over here. I'm really pissed. Since I'm living in this house, this will be the 5th hot water tank that I've put in 12 years. I've had 2 electric hot water heaters and numerous oil-fired hot water heaters. I'm kind of disappointed. I don't know if it's something in my water in the town, but there's no way I should go through all these hot water heaters, and I'm just tired of carrying them up the steps and getting rid of them. So I don't have any gas in the property, no natural gas, just oil. So I'm going to get rid of this, and we're going to install Navien, the Navien hot water system. But besides that, that's a story for another time. I got to pump this down. So what I'm going to pump it down with is my Bauer cordless pump. Oop, came out of the socket. All right. I got another one here that I hooked up. This is just a backup if this fails. All right, because I live on an island, and this is my battery operated one if I happen to lose electric in the house. But otherwise, to pump the hot water tank down right now, I'm going to use my other Bauer pump. We're going to pump everything right into here. This pump's stationary. This pump's not. Yeah, you see I got 2 of them. I'm a Bauer guy all the way. I like tools. But I got to mop all this water up. All right, let me start pumping this hot water heater down and see how my new pump works. Let's open this up. All right, let's put this bad boy on. We're operating on battery power. Right back here, I got a 3.0 battery, fully charged. Now we're going to pump the whole hot water tank down, see how long it takes. This is a 30 gallon oil fired. I got the relief valve open so that we got air into the system, and I got both valves up here closed. Right now my sump pump just came on. See it going down. All right, so the pit's filling up good. Now I'm running on a 3.0 battery, so we'll see how long it takes to pump it down and if the battery holds up. All right, my sump pump's coming back up again. It's going to come on in a minute. It's getting ready to come on. All right, the pump just came on. It's pumping out again. All right, it's doing good. I'm doing a little experiment with this pump. The hot water in this tank is 130 degrees. I don't know what the temperature for this pump is, and it's all plastic. So we'll see if it holds up. The gears on the inside look good. Alright, so we're going to see if it can pump out 30 gallons, and we'll see if the battery holds up. Let me make sure these are tight. I love experiments. I'm telling you, I fell in love with these pumps, these battery operated pumps. You see, I'm pumping my hot water tank down right now. It's no good. Just pump it down, then I'll disconnect everything. But I'm very curious to see if this battery, the 3.0 battery, can stand the load. Now, the other day I just bought a 5.0 battery, but I want to see how the 3.0 holds up. Now I'm going to keep the video running the whole time. I'm not going to cut no video. We'll see how long it takes. Hope I don't have to cut it. I think I can only make a 25-minute video. You can see it's just filled with water down here. Alright, I'm going to keep the camera rolling because, like I said, I really don't want to shut the video off because I want to see if this pump can keep on pumping the whole time. I'm kind of pissed off that it did start leaking, but on the bright side, I get to make another video and see this in action. You can see this hot water is pretty hot. You can see the heat coming out of it. So far the pump's holding up with hot water. This is a boring video, but this is real time, so you're going to see what really happens. I know it's boring, just stay with me, but you will see if the pump can hold up. So far, I'm 8 minutes into the video. I can only make up to a 25-minute video, so I hope it does do it before then. In every bad situation, there's always a silver lining, so I guess this is mine. I always try to look for the good in every situation, so I guess the good point of this situation is to see how long this pump keeps going. Starting to get black now. Alright, we're finished. Alright, no more water. You got to make sure that you shut this pump off right away. Otherwise, I think you can burn the gears out. But yeah, we stopped pumping. Alright, so 10 minutes, 27 seconds. Alright, so to pump this tank down, there was a 30-gallon tank. It took roughly about 10.5 minutes. So that's not bad. I'm impressed. And the battery did hold up. Let's see how much charge is left in the battery. This was fully loaded when I got it. Let's take a look at the fuel cell. Alright, we're still fully lit. So it was running on a full load for 10.5 minutes, and the fuel cell still says full. Alright, I'm impressed. Alright. I'm impressed. Best $99 I ever spent.